Okay. Uh, अपने माइक बंद कर लें प्लीज. So we are going to start with social and cultural environment, unit 3, topic 1. So in this lecture we will be talking about the social environment of the business, which includes human resource, marketing, production, social responsibility, employees, customers, suppliers, owners, government, and local community. And in the cultural environment, we will discuss what is the definition of cultural environment, how is it applied, and impact of foreign culture on business. So, starting with what is social cultural environment? Social cultural environment includes the social and cultural forces that shape and influence the business from. Social environment consists of factors related to human relationship that affects business. All the business organization operates within the society to satisfy the social need. Different social factors influence the policy, practices, and activities of business. Important social factors including social environment are demographic, social institutes, social changes. So, social change may affect business through many aspects of their activity. These may include human resource, marketing, production, social responsibility, employees, customers, suppliers, owners, government, local community. So, we will talk one by one about all these things. So starting with the social institutions means human resource. Expectation within society about pattern of employment and working conditions will affect the firm's organization. Increasingly trend towards home working, more flexible employment patterns, and a portfolio approach to a career are influencing firms and they operate. Social change impact on firms in different ways, but all business could be used to plan for changes. Marketing. Marketing firm needs to ensure that their product portfolio reflect the pattern of demand in society. Changes in society lead to change in the pattern of demand and firms need to be aware of change taking place in their market. Market research will be an important element of judging the significance of trends and changing consumer purchasing behavior. For example, you can take the present scenario of the world market. You are well aware that the world market in this pandemic situation is changing. Consumer behavior has also changes. In coming future, certainly the service sector is going to be more affected. Cultural aspect is also affecting the society since the only remedy of this pandemic situation is the social distancing, and everyone has to keep the social distancing. So once you might be remembering that there was a crowd in the restaurants, in public transports, and in other transportation resources. But in coming days, certainly there might be a change in these patterns. Restaurants might be open, but there may not be a crowd for uh, demand of the foods and etc. In public transport, there have to maintain the social distancing, and there may not be any demand of heavy transport. The individual now coming on the changing behavior of the consumers. Once public was preferring the public transport for different purposes to save the money, to save the fuel, to save the environment. But now the government will also encourage the public to use the private transport to avoid the pandemic situation or to avoid the COVID-19. So there may be a behavioral change in consumption pattern that everyone will prefer not public transport, not public place, but they will prefer the social distancing. So this is the cultural, social aspect and consumer behavior in this present scenario. Now, accordingly, the production system and product will also change in this situation. You can take the example, the service sector or the restaurant, hotels, and tourists, etc. The demand of hotel industry, the demand of aviation sector will change, certainly change. Accordingly, the market will shift their behavior to the demand of the society, because this is happening in all in the society. This is not changing because of the cultural aspect, but this is bound to change in this pandemic situation. Therefore, the demand of all these products or services will change their behavior in coming days. Multinational enterprises such as you can say the malls and uh, FMCG products demand will increase, but the industry will certainly suffer in coming days. So then the production system will also change in the coming days, and that will affect the social environment of the business. Now, the social responsibility, what will be the social responsibility? Now, there is a need of the industry to behave in this pandemic situation accordingly. Their responsibility is more. If the aviation sector will prefer to have more passengers on their board, then there will be a problem for spreading the infection among the passengers. But there may be a less passenger flight. In that case, they certainly they have to suffer the less with less income. But the social responsibility says with the less income, they in this situation they can also increase their prices of the passengers. But the social, according to the social responsibility and ethical behavior, of the price of the product should be according to the market behavior, market needs, and it should not be highly motivated by the profit motive. So this is the social responsibility towards the society, not to make unlimited profit, but to behave like a responsible market citizen in this coming situation. Now, coming on the employees are also suffering in this situation. More employees are losing their jobs, and more are having the less income in this situation. Here comes the role of industry, that they should not be thrown away from the industry in this situation, because they cannot survive in this case. So the role of industry is more important towards the employee to retain them in the services. Now customers want to buy with trust and believe that adequate quality will be a norm. They also assume safety has been a primary objective of the business, and the price they pay is a fair reflection of cost plus a reasonable amount of profit. So suppliers expect some security of orders at a fair price and regular payment of bills, which is possible in this situation only, not only, you can say mostly, by online payment, by cards, or such uh, mediums. Owners look for dividends, increasing profits, and positive image of the business with the wider public. For example, environmental responsibility. And the government role is certainly very important in this situation, that everything should be monitored by the government and should take the responsibility of society in this situation, in this bad situation. Now, components of social cultural environment. There are so many components: attitude and beliefs, An attitude can be defined as an effective reason to a person, idea, or activity. Attitudes can be positive or negative. Culture creates attitude towards time, work, and business. Belief is the descriptive thoughts held about something based on opinion, knowledge, or faith. Belief reflects viewpoint about objects, ideas, people, and events. Time is not given important. Religion is the another aspect of this socio-cultural environment. Religion can be defined as dynamic belief and submissive attitude towards good or God or goddess as a supernatural being on human man feels dependent. As you can see in this situation, everything has been left on the God. Even in one situation, Italy said that the Prime Minister of Italy said that I have left all things on the sky. We are looking towards the sky. So everything, while the vaccine is not invented and it is not coming in the market, everything is on the God. So then religious belief is also an important sometime in the market behavior. Religion influence food habits, dress and traveling. Yeah, this you can know. You can uh, feel that the religion have different aspects, culture, uh, their religious festivals, needs and requirements during their festivals, during their uh, religious festivals. So, religion also shapes the attitude towards work, consumption, individual responsibility, and planning for the future. Religious traditions has great impact on business activities. Caste system in Hinduism affects every aspect of life and business. Women are not allowed to work outside in Islamic society, but in today's scenario, something change is happening today, and somewhere, some in most of the places, in most of the countries, women have been allowed to work in the industry. Language is a conceptual code, the system of knowledge that enables a person to produce and understand speech. Suppose if there was no English, it was not possible to interact with the person living in China or living in America or living in Europe. So there should be a language which is medium of communication which can be commonly accepted in the whole world. So language is a particular means of expression which depends on culture and explains a culture. Such as you can take the example of Nepal, India. India has a different languages, so many states. In 25 states, you can have the uh, different languages. Even in UP, you can have the several languages. Even in a very small country in Nepal, there are hundred of languages which are spoken in the country. The language helps the manager to gather important information and observe the situation personally. A manager gets messages and can understand the environmental change through information collection. So language is needed to operate business in local society to access with local people. Now coming on the education. Education stands for deliberate instruction and training. It is learning process. Education is essential tool enhancing social and economic development. It is essential to promote change and development in society and to maintain brotherhood in society. Workers needed to be literate to understand order and instructions of superior. Customers need to be educated to understand the advertisement and sales promotion technique. Salesperson need to be educated to get the sales uh, done. Skilled manpower is needed for technical jobs and skill can be gained through education. So, in family structure, family is an outstanding primary group in which child develop its basic attitudes. It may encourage individual incentive to work. Family responsibility causes absentees at work. So many of the companies in the world, like in India, uh, Infosys, Wipro, and TCS, and so many software companies had started from work to home. I've given you can see in this pandemic situation, the whole world is working from the home. So work to home culture is also important to take the family responsibility, which can affect your life. Members of family have tendency to favor to their family member or their relatives cause conflict. Joint structure has both advantage and disadvantage, which has implication for business firms. Social organizations means every society and structure has an structure or an organization of social relationship. They consist of family, reference group, and social class, social structure that influence the business. The management of business firms should identify these groups for their political and economic power. They can be musical, cinemas, and other professional people. These groups expose consumer to new behavior and lifestyle by influencing consumer value attitude. These groups provide norms for consumer behavior and influence the product and brand choice of people. The management of business firms should identify these groups for their political and economic power. Now, coming on the class structure, it is the rank with a society determines uh, uh, by its members. It reflects income, occupation, education, and area of residence, which can be classified into upper, middle, and lower class. Members of class share similar values, interests, and behavior. Buying behavior differs among classes. Certainly, upper class would have the higher uh, product value, and middle class has the uh, low income, so it has not it consumes the uh, middle uh, segment of the product, and lower class does not buy the luxurious items which are suitable for the upper class. uh, so uh, entrepreneurship, change management, and there are business ethics, emerging socio-cultural change and trends. Sorry, uh, entrepreneurship. So, cultural. What is the cultural impact of what is the culture impact of foreign culture on business? We will discuss in this entrepreneurship. Professionals, when thinking in, in today's shrinking world, cultural differences are no longer significant. It is a common mistake to assume that people think alike just because they dress alike. It's also a mistake to assume that people think alike just because they are similar in this world choice in business setting. Even in today's global world, they are there are wide cultural difference, and these differences influence how people do business. So, to have the entrepreneurship difference, there should be the pace of business. Business protocol means how to physically and verbally meet and interact, decision making and negotiating, managing employees and projects, propensity for risk taking, and marketing, sales, and distributions are the main themes of these uh, cultural differences. When you are dealing with people from another culture, you may find that their business practices, communication, and management styles are different from those to which you are accustomed. Understanding the culture of the people with whom you are dealing in is important to successful business interactions and to accomplish business objectives. For example, you will need to understand how people communicate, how culture impacts how people view time and deadlines, how they are likely to ask questions or highlight problems, how people respond to management and authority, how people perceive verbal and physical communication, and how people make decisions. These are the main points of the cultural differences. So, uh, religion, we have talked about the religion of the cultural difference. So change management and business ethics are also the most important segment of these cultural differences. Socio-cultural values have affected change management in Nepalese business, such as in India also. Environmental adoption is slow in business organization. Change is not properly planned and managed. It's generally done by firing employees, which cause conflict. Structural and technological approach to change management are few. So business ethics, cultural value affect the business behavior in different ways. Corruption, bribery is regarded as the normal by uh, India and Nepal business environment. Gender equality is missing, and so this was the